Hello. I'm going to open up a box. Yes. I'm going to unbox a 64. I believe I've already looked this one over, but I just want to check again. It is right here. Ta-da! It is indeed a Commodore 64. It is. It has the Canadian Olympic Committe Logo on it. But I know I looked at this. I just want to refresh my memory about what it is that's in here, assuming it is what it is. Yes, it is indeed a Commodore 64. Oh, great. Well, I see that I have some trouble here. Not working from original box. Great. Not working. It has. Look at this. Not working. Oh dear. Well, that's discouraging. I was hoping. Oh, there's a power supply. I was hoping to find something else that I might sell, seeing as I'm in a mood to be rid of things. But I'm not going to sell something that is not working. So it can go back over yonder from where it came until I get a chance to look it over. Oh, it can. So I'm just not sure if there's anything else that I can quickly find here. Yes, I really need. Ow. Of course, as always, I suppose I have a 1541 around. What am I doing? Yeah. Yes, what I really need to do is go through things, figure things, get it, determined, figured, sorted. So when things come up where I'm in a mood, I don't have to go hunting and searching. And not finding. Not finding. Well, what is this? Working? Oh. Yeah. But not working. say? Oh, by the way, let's go Raptors. I don't know when this might go live. Let's go Raptors. But the Raptors are indeed in the playoffs. And I don't know if this will be seen at all. Why do I have a feeling I'm just going to pull this thing out of the wall? Yes. Funny, you know, I was going to look at some 4040s, and C64s, and pets. Well, maybe, as they say, it's not good to push a bad position. I don't want to sell anything to anybody and then find out that there's something wrong with it, so, you know, yeah. I have too much stuff. I do. Oh well. So be it. As I glance around here, I mean, I have... Oh, right. This is a lovely 64. It's missing a key. Which means it's not lovely. Sort of like, I know people who say they're photographers, and they say, isn't it terrible when your best picture's out of focus? But you know, if your best picture's out of focus, it's not your best picture. Yeah. But that's the funny thing about photography. If you're trying to get something nice and straight and you're a little bit off, that's an error. If you're twisted way up and over in a weird angle, that's creative. Or, if you take a picture that is a little bit blurry, it's crap. If you set the exposure longer and you make it really blurry, it's artistic. Well, I'm going to think if there's anything else that I might list today. There are so many possibilities, but once again, I don't want to sell something that's not working. So, and here is the piece of paper. I should throw this out. This was for the Amiga that I sold. Can you imagine? Yep. Alright, so, I suppose I could look at that 64 in a box and decide what's wrong with it, but I don't think so. You know what? It's a nice day outside. I do have things to do out there, and I have things to do in here. I do. But, enough. So, yes. What's the moral of the story? fix something, figure it out, mark it, and especially if you're selling things, get them together, know what you got, be ready. And but notes are important, because see, if I hadn't put a note on that 64, I would have opened up the box and thought, ooh, aren't we good? But we're not good. We're broken. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. So, enough. We'll see what else I can find, but I think the time has come. Well, my friend, the time has come to raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on. Enough for now. Bye for now.